What's good, y'all? It's Jay Faded. We're at the shop on a Monday. It's an empty shop on a Monday. Except for my guy, Christian the Barber.
Sure, every trip.
We got good lighting. We have to have the ring light. Christian, last time you was here, I was interviewing you about your progress. A lot of people want to know, how do I make money as a barber? How much money will I make? Chuga the Barber has a quote.
Bump up your prices and let some clients fall off. You'll work less and still make the same amount of money.
Charge more and work less, but still make the same amount of money. Turn your hustle up and give yourself a raise. I almost made the mistake myself of spending $10,000 to $20,000 on a barber college. This is the young Jay Faded. I never would have been here at the Rich Barber if I did that.
To him, he already feels like he has his license. Like, you're still cutting in the shop. Like, when you get your license, what difference is that gonna make on you?
No,
just a piece of paper. It's like having a permit when you're driving. Like, you still drive. Like,
yeah, that's a great comparison.
Yeah.
You're still on the road.
We've got a student loan epidemic. It's a big deal.
Is college still worth it?
More than 40% of borrowers aren't making payments.
So what's a student to do?
it's simpler after seeing the ins and outs of what's good in barber college versus being an apprentice, just because it saves you money, and it also just easier because you could just start cutting hair right off the bat. You don't have to be going to barber college.
So you're skipping that. That's a case for everybody? Like, can they prepare themselves the way you have?
Yeah, because I have heard about barber schools that you don't really learn how to cut hair like to the best ability. Like, I think it's easier just to learn off YouTube. It's
overwhelming to go straight from a garage to the barber shop, and I do want to help you guys get over that fear. Things that helped me was, like I said, YouTube University, cutting as much hair as possible.
Make it feel like you're at the shop. Like right now, when I cut hair in my garage, it feels like a shop to me. Like I have my own environment, I have my AC in there. Like I feel like I'm at a shop.
And look, this is what you're paying for barber college. $10,000 to $20,000. If you go to different schools here in California, some of them are upwards of $20,000, like $22,000. The apprenticeship program is $2,000, so that's at least like $10,000 less than going to barber college.
It's like same income as a barber.
And you get to keep your income in the shop every single day. You could work every day if you want in the barber shop. Whereas in the barber schools, the barber school is taking your time, and they're also taking your money.
Yeah, you could be making way more money as an apprentice.
5 days a week, 8 hours a day at a barber college, where maybe you make like $2 in tips for each cut.
I know people that be cutting all day because they're at barber school the whole week. And I'm gonna be busting my ass on the weekends. I'll be cutting like from 7 a.m. to like 10 p.m.
Like to make income, you have to cut after hours.
Exactly, so you have to wait, you're wasting even more time. Because you could just say I move locations, I could just be an apprentice somewhere else.
A lot of people have no idea about an apprenticeship program, but that's my goal, is just to make sure everyone understands. Like Nipsey Hussle has a quote about that where he says, like, I made my way through the maze and I left some clues for you. Now it's up to you. Are you gonna take heat and get paid and scream all money in until your dying day? Or are you more the type to have your mind enslaved? That was like his exact quote. To me, that's what barber college looks like. They look at you as literally a source of income. Like every time they get a new barber student, it's like, here we go, we got another $10,000 check. And we're gonna have a cash flow every week because he's bringing clients, he's bringing money. It just don't seem right. For me, I wanted to start out my career right here in a shop where I wasn't gonna start out my career in debt. I was gonna start off with like the best boost before even getting licensed.
And I left some clothes for you. Now it's up to you. Are you gone? Take heat and get paid and scream all money in until your dying day. Say fuck the middleman, get on your grind to save. Or are you more the type to have